today's video, I'll be testing out this air fryer that I got off QVC, and this is the EMERIL LAGASSE digital smart fryer. Now, I want to test this out on fried chicken. I've never used an air fryer before, and I've been wanting to get an air fryer for a long time. But all the air fryers that I've been looking at, the basket seems really small. It looks like maybe it could fit maybe 3 pieces of chicken thighs in there. So I saw this one off of QVC, and they were having a special, and it looks like you can probably fit about 5 to 6 chicken thighs in there. So honestly, I'm not even sure if you could probably pile it up on each other, but I'm not going to pile it up. I'm just going to put it on one layer. So it looks like it can fit maybe 5 to 6 thighs. So yeah, I wanted to test out, the first thing I wanted to test out was fried chicken to see if it can get as crispy as if you fried it in oil. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started on this. And I haven't ever used this before. I just took it out of the box. So, and I kind of read through the instructions, just kind of browsed through it. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I'll show you how I do my fried chicken. And so what I like to do is I like to put flour in a bag just like this. And honestly, I don't measure anything. Everything I do, I just pour it in and shake it up, and I kind of just taste the flour to see if there's enough flavor in there. But yeah, that's the flour. And I have my 2 beaten eggs, and I like to add garlic salt in here just to make sure that the flavor goes through the chicken. And I just do that. Pick it up. Now in my flour, I like to add garlic salt. And like I say, I don't measure. I just kind of eyeball it, and then I kind of taste the flour to see if there's enough flavor in there. Garlic salt, paprika, onion powder, and black pepper. I close up my Ziploc bag and shake it around. Then I get a spoon and I test it. I test the flour to see if there's enough salt in it. I just take a little piece like this. Now this is the basket. It's pretty big. Put that on the side here so that I can put my chicken in there. Okay, normally now I would fry it in a lot of oil, but we're gonna use the air fryer today. So what I'm gonna do is I have the chicken here. I have 5 pieces of chicken thighs with bone in. So now I'm gonna take my chicken and I'm gonna dunk it in my egg wash. And I'm gonna stick it in my flour mixture. And I like to let the excess kind of drip off. We'll do 2 at a time. And with that, okay, push this to the side. shake it up. Okay, so this is what it looks like in the air fryer. So I probably could get another piece in here, right there in the middle. Okay, so go ahead and put this in here. It'll click shut and it'll turn on. Now let's see if I can get this to work. Now there's different settings here, and there's one for chicken thighs, and it's this one. Press that. Wait. Press that. And start. And it's set for 20 minutes. So in 20 minutes, this is supposed to have fried chicken. So we'll be right back when the 20 minutes is up, and we'll see if we have some good fried chicken. Okay, we're counting down. This is the last seconds. There we go, moment of truth. Ooh. Okay, let me move this to the side. That's what it looks like. I see still there's some flour on a couple of them. That has to be adjusted somehow. I would have to figure out how to do that. Maybe I just was too thick on the flour, but let me transfer this into a plate. My husband's gonna be coming down soon. He's gonna be going to work, and I want him to try this chicken. So let me grab this chicken. My only concern about this is that if it's cooked through, frying chicken with the regular oil, I'm always concerned that the chicken is cooked through. So here's one with a little bit of flour still on it. It's really crispy. The underneath is not that crispy, as you can see. So I wonder if halfway through, if you flip it around. Maybe next time that's what I'm gonna do. Take out this other last piece. So that's what it looks like. So you can see some of this one, and this one has some flour soaring through. This one a little bit. You ready?
I'm ready. I'm always ready to eat.
Okay. So I was showing them that some of the chicken still had some of the flour still showing through, so I'm gonna have to somehow adjust that. But here. And just a reminder, when you're to always change your thongs.
Thongs? Because they get dirty. Your thongs get dirty.
Your tongs. Change your tongs. You don't want to cross-contaminate. So go ahead and pick one, honey. Which one you want?
Fresh tongue is very important. Anyone.
I'm not going to give you one with the flour.
Okay. Give me one defloured one.
Okay.
Oh, it's still nice and hot.
We're going to see if it's cooked through.
A little bit of red underneath mine.
Really? Oh, yeah. I don't know if we should eat it.
It's very hot. Tastes good, but...
Oh, it's very hot.
Crispy.
It's really crispy. Almost like it was fried, right?
Yeah.
I was showing them underneath. It's not really cooked, so I'm thinking halfway through maybe to flip it over. I mean, it's cooked, but it's not crispy.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, whatever side was laying down. You can
Yeah.
roast it plenty.
Yeah, look, this has some blood in it, so I'm not going to eat the rest of it. I'm going to recook it. I'm going to flip it over and do the other side. I don't think you should really.
I'll go until I see some red.
Oh my God.
I'll let you know.
Okay, so I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Honestly, the skin tastes like it's fried. The only thing is I think it has to cook longer with the bone in. It says 20 minutes. It's a preset button for 20 minutes. You probably might have to go maybe another, I would say 5 to 10 minutes more.
Or maybe make a cut in it too to help cook.
Or maybe if you flip it, I think maybe if you flip it and do another 5 minutes, I think it'll cook it all the way through. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Stop eating that. I'm gonna recook it.
I'm gonna eat them now.
Till next time, bye.
Bye.
Okay, so my husband already left, and so what I decided to do is put it back into the air fryer for another 5 minutes at 360 degrees, and I flipped it over to get the underside facing the top. And prior to doing that, I went and I took a knife and I cut one open. Cut one open, and it was just red near the bone, but it has to be cooked thoroughly because you don't want to get sick. So yeah, I decided to just go ahead and put it in, and we'll just check it out and see how it looks now. Okay, and everything I washed just because you don't want to cross-contaminate. There were some red juices that were coming out. But if you look at it, the underside got crispy too. So I think halfway through the cooking process, I would flip it over. Just so the underside gets crispy and it cooks thoroughly. I am going to take one of the larger ones, and I'm gonna cut it right now. Just to see if it cooked all the way to the bone. Super hot. Yeah, it's thoroughly cooked and all the juices are nice and clear. So yeah, so this is the fried chicken and it's finally done. It takes a little bit more time. The preset was for 20 minutes and it's at 360 degrees, but actuality I would go 30 minutes. Well, actually you can go 25 minutes, and halfway through that flip it over and then you should be fine. But yeah, the only thing I'm a little bit disappointed about this product is that it says that it's supposed to have the air circulating, so the top and the bottom are supposed to be cooked evenly, but it didn't cook it evenly. It cooked the top nice and crispy, and the bottom it was still it wasn't crispy, so I had to flip it over. So I'm just a little bit disappointed about that. But as far as the crispiness of the top part of the chicken, it was really good. It's really good. So, but we'll continue using this. I mean, we already have it here. I'm not going to go ahead and return it. But anyways, hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time, bye.